The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Elbert County, southeastern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Washington County in northeastern Colorado, north central Lincoln County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles east of Agate, or 12 miles north of Lemon, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Last Chance. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The McDonald County Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 67 Johnson, Southwest City, Missouri on July 9, 2020 at 8:52 a.m. Abducted was Samuel Padron, white, male, age 4. Abducted was Genesis Padron, white, female, age 8. Suspect vehicle is a red 2009 Ford Flex bearing Missouri registration RA1J1L. Vehicle last seen in an unknown direction of travel. Suspect is Hilda Melendez, a white, female, 35, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 130 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect is a non-custodial parent that assaulted the female that was watching the children and took them from the residence. The vehicle could also be occupied by the suspect's mother Betty. They are possibly en route to the country of Mexico. Recent statements made indicate the children are in danger. Please call 911 or McDonald County Sheriff's Office at 417-223-4318 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
Ontario Amber Alert in effect. The Stratford Police Service have requested an Amber Alert on August 2, 2022. Victim 1 Emily Lurch, 11 years old, girl, white. Last seen in Stratford. If observed, call 911 https://amberalert.app.ca
Alerta sísmica. 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 Alerta sísmica.
You won't always be aware of dangers as they happen. That's why there's now a way to warn you when there's a danger to your life, health, or property in the area you're located. An emergency alert sends an urgent and distinctive siren-like sound to your mobile phone. It looks like this and sounds like this, appearing on your screen until you acknowledge it. If you receive an emergency alert, you should stop what you're doing, read the alert if it's safe to do so, and do what it says. Emergency alerts are trusted. They will only ever be sent by the emergency services or the government. They send the same message to all compatible phones within an area of risk, so they don't use your phone number, collect data, or track your movements. You don't need to register or download an app, and they're completely free to receive. The technology has already been used successfully in many other countries, helping to save lives from floods, acts of terrorism, and fires. In future, emergency alerts could help save lives from threats in the UK. Please make sure you keep your device software up to date so that in the unlikely event you need to receive one, you're ready to act. All emergency alerts will also be listed on gov.uk/alerts, so you can easily check that it's genuine. Emergency alerts, our way to warn you when lives are in danger.
の恐れがあります。津波に警戒してください。
津波警報が出ました。津波警報が出ました。NHK では津波警報についての緊急ニュースを英語を中心に中国語、韓国、朝鮮語、ポルトガル語でお伝えします。
This is an emergency tsunami warning. This is an emergency tsunami warning. NHK is broadcasting this information in English, as well as in Chinese, Korean, and Portuguese.
Do not be alarmed. You have just heard the important message signal of the public warning system sounded in support of Total Defense Day. This is sounded when the population is to be alerted to an important broadcast on local radio stations. There are two other signals of the public warning system, namely the alarm and all clear signals. When you hear the alarm signal, move to a shelter immediately. The all clear signal is sounded when the threat is over and you can leave the shelter. This message is brought to you by Singapore's Civil Defense Force.
이 방송은 실제 상황입니다. 실제 동속 경보를 발령합니다. 실제 동속 경보를 발령합니다. 이 방송은 실제 상황입니다. 실제 동속 경보를 발령합니다. 실제 동속 경보를 발령합니다.
Внимание! Говорит Главное управление МЧС России по Ульяновской области. Проводится техническая проверка системы централизованного оповещения населения области по гражданской обороне. Напоминаем, звучание сирен означает подачу сигнала «Внимание всем», по которому необходимо включить радиотрансляционный приемник «Радио России», телевизионный приемник «Россия-1». Внимание! Говорит Главное управление МЧС России по Ульяновской области. Проводится техническая проверка системы централизованного оповещения населения области по гражданской обороне. Напоминаем, звучание сирен означает подачу сигнала «Внимание всем», по которому необходимо включить радиотрансляционный приемник «Радио России», телевизионный приемник «Россия-1».
Увага! Громадяни, це важливо для вашого виживання. Не ігноруйте. Військові Російської Федерації завдали ядерного удару по Києву. Повторюю, військові Російської Федерації завдали удару по Києву ядерною зброєю. Будь ласка, тримайтеся за 25 миль від Києва. Якщо ви цього не зробите, ви будете. Під час евакуації обов'язково візьміть із собою протигази, їжу, воду, радіо та спальний мішок. Президента Володимира Зеленського евакуювали в безпечну зону. Опади смертоносні. Фалут приносить дуже болісну смерть. Якщо у вас немає іншого вибору, ви можете покінчити життя самогубством будь-яким способом. Ми дамо відсіч злій російській армії і зло автократія Володимира Путіна буде знищена. Уряд України бажає вам успіхів. До побачення. Увага! громадяни, це важливо для ваших